One day, right? No?
Yeah,
Saturday or Sunday. What day?
Saturday.
Saturday evening. If you are not missed, then you can go to the online
Yeah.
that day. Okay. Yeah. So for one day, it is for senior. It is then 1,000. Okay.
So you told me about 8,000, 800 something, 850 something you told.
850 I told. What for what? For maybe so it is for junior classes.
No, you told me 850 is for this 1000 is for how much classes?
It is 1,000 is for yes. And will tell something. Yeah. Yeah. So what is saying is that for the kids it's coming 1,000, but nowadays I taking some different payments for okay students for everyone can learn, so I can decrease the payment before it is
Okay.
more than the 1,500 more than still. Okay. So if you are able to do this, it is for senior class is 1,000, for junior is the 800 for 50, for kids the 500 like that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way.
Okay, 1000 is for how many classes?
Yeah, you can the 4 or 5 classes you can get it in a month.
Okay, how many hours of class?
It is 1 hours and 30 minutes basically. Yeah, this is 6 hours classes basically.
Okay.
Okay. So you can get the class every day, every week,
Mm-hmm.
1.5 hours. Okay, so
Total fees is 1000 rupees, right?
yes, total fees is 1,000 rupees for uh, total those 4 classes. If some week, some month is this 5 Saturday Sunday, that time you will be 5 classes, no extra charges for that. Okay, so you are only working lady or
Sorry, yeah, I'm only working.
okay, that's cool, fine. So this is the
Okay, so you will teach me from the scratch, right? So I
yes,
basically don't have any knowledge. I do painting, but of my own. I see YouTube videos and I
yes,
just
yes.
try
Can I
it.
show you some drawing, ma'am? Have any mobiles if you have? Okay, make for that much, all of you. One hand and another hand, and here is a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you seen it now. Some drawing.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
These two I gifted from my friends.
Very good.
First, I tried in paper. I didn't know that these
Mm-hmm.
canvas boards are there. Then I tried in canvas.
Very good, very good. Yeah, it's just very basic. You whatever you're doing, very nice, good effort.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to learn this kind of painting, you see now this
Mm-hmm.
Sunoy is doing some Buddha or some this kind of still life, landscape. Okay, so it is need little time, but you can do it.
Yeah.
I see your drawing is really awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Just make some professional training, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's what I want.
That's the only needs. Otherwise, good. So, so can join for wish. What do you wish when you want to join?
From next month I'll come, like from first, yes, first, yes.
Okay,
It's already 24th, so that's why I wanted to start from the month. Yeah, that comes on Saturday only, so next Saturday I'll come.
next Saturday, as wish. No problem. I just want to say that's next Saturday. That's cool. So you just need to advance payments and start the drawing paper. First 2 days I can give all those paper and pencil. After that you can buy your own okay color painting, so you can understand that what color is needs okay and all.
Yeah, you'll give the material stuffs also, right? Which kind of
Yes,
brand I should buy, so all
yes, ma'am.
something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure, next Saturday I'll come and pay and then I'll
Sure, sure, sure. As you wish, ma'am. Next Saturday we meet. Yes,
Okay.
yes. I wait. I wait. I wait.
From next Saturday I'll come.
Sure, ma'am.
Around 1:30 if I come, that's okay, right?
Uh,
Saturday do you take 1:30 class?
1 to 2:30.
1 o'clock I'll come till how
2:30.
2:30.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't need to get anything, right? You will give me.
For 2 days, the training.
Totally I'll have 4 classes. Sometimes I'll have 5 classes. Some months I'll have.
Some months depend. The 4 or 5 months in a year, if you get the 5 Saturday Sunday, that time you can get the 5 classes. Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise monthly 4 classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
it will be 1,000 rupees per month, right?
Yes, ma'am. It is 1,000 rupees per month.
Yeah. I'll come from Saturday.
Sure, ma'am. Thank
Around 1
you.
o'clock I'll come. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, so do this tree.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the Diptur. She is sitting in on the rooftop of this tree.
Well, sir, I never climb a tree in the afternoon because I never get time, and in the morning, obviously, I'm at school, and on holidays, my father doesn't take me, and in the evening, all the trees in our neighborhood are filled with spiders and insects like that.
Okay. No, usually all trees.
I also get hurt when I climb a tree.
No, all tree have spider and insects.
Yeah, sir.
So
But all those go into hiding when
no.
when there's daylight, but when it's dark,
Yeah.
Then one time I climbed the tree, it was little scary.
What? हाँ right. लगाना तो है. Okay, done बेटा.
no, sir. No, sir.
Okay, no sir and yes sir. Yes sir and no sir. No problem. We are waiting. No problem. हाँ इसको बाहर बाहर रख दीजिए ना. This room को मैडम का रूम पे रखिए. Done beta. Can I go ahead the next part? Okay, no sir, yes sir, both are response coming. I don't know what I do. No sir and yes sir. At a time. Okay, 5. Arch, understood beta, arch.
Sir, he looks like a sculptor.
Yes sir. Come on, come on.
But done as well.
We are erasing this line, you know, always this nose, then an
I'm
arch.
also done. Sir, I'm also done.
Very good, very good, very good. So let's start. We are going to color. We are going to sketching after that. First, I finish the color. I erasing the extra line, whatever. No need to disturbing the color, so I can erasing this extra line. Okay. I show the color. Okay. So for you just leave this drawing now. We are going to color. Okay.